Welcome to another video. In this video, In this video, I'm going to show you how we've been massively scaling this channel, of course, in 2 to 3 videos a day. And that's the result of that. Drum roll, please. We've gotten this channel to our all-time high of 11K a month. As you can see right here. In these last 7 days alone, we've made over 2K. And this is not some trash currency. If we go ahead and refresh the page, it's USD and it's not going anywhere. In the last 7 days, we've gone over 750 KPs. And this is in the World Cup niche, football niche. And this is what happens when you are prepared for the World Cup, right? We're going to make so much money from this World Cup because we already have the audience for it, okay? But don't worry, I'm not just here to flex. I'm going to show you the top 3 niches or top 2 niches you can enter during this World Cup to make money, right? But first of all, I want to let you know, if you want to do the World Cup strategy, you need to have a pre-monetized channel. The reason for this is to monetize YouTube from scratch, you need to have posted for months. On this channel, we've posted for months and months. Like, as you can see, we can go back to the last 90 days, right? We can go back to the last 365 days. We've always been posting on this channel, right? In preparation for the World Cup. And as you can see, as we approach the World Cup, our views has just been going up, as you can see, right? Now, this takes consistency, right? But I'm not going to tell you to take months and months posting, because by that time, the World Cup will have been over and you wouldn't make any money, right? To do it properly, you need to have a pre-monetized account. How do you get pre-monetized? What is a pre-monetized account? An account that's already been monetized, right? In another niche, and you're just entering the niche and, using it to enter the football niche so that you start getting paid from day one. All right, that's what a pre-monetized channel is, right? And that's what I do, all the other niches side. This is not the only football channel that I have for the World Cup. I have other smaller ones that are all pre-monetized, ready to post World Cup content and to start getting paid from day one. How do you get it? You want to go to this link, okay? Go to HeadStartChannels.com, and this is essentially where you learn about how it works and how you can get your pre-monetized. If the link is still in the description, you can go ahead and click it. That means there's still stock left. There's still some you can get because it's first come, first serve. As you can see, this is our past student testimonials of people that bought a pre-monetized channel and they just started posting. So go ahead and click the link below and see if there's still stock so you can claim your channel and start posting. If not, if you want to start with a fresh new channel, that's also fine. I'll just recommend having a pre-monetized channel because the World Cup is not going to be here forever, right? So let's go ahead and open a video to even show you the kind of content we're making on it.
Nissan Qashqai with new e-power, now available with 0% APR.
Doesn't officially open until the 15th of June, or we already have a number of clubs that have already completed and transfers. No, we don't mean that they've sent bits or shared interest.
The whole deal is already done, and we're not talking about some.
As you can see, all you need is commentary over the videos.
Bundle deal is live. Buy 2 jerseys and get 10% off.
This is the sponsor that we have to do, but when we just click through the video, it's all about news. It's all about football commentary, things that they're interested in doing. I forgot to say that if you own a long form channel like this, you don't only get paid with AdSense. You get people to sponsor your videos, right? You get football grounds, reaching out to you to have a segment in your video. So you might be saying, oh, we only made 27K from this channel. We've made so much more. We've made over 50K from sponsorships and placements alone on top of this. So that's another way you can make explaining them. I forgot to add that. But all we're doing is commentary over the videos, and we're also going ahead and, we're going ahead and choosing all these things. We have our editors, we have from, third world countries. I'm going to show you how to add these people. In fact, how to hire those editors. You're going to go ahead and search. You're going to go ahead and search for So to hire those editors, want to go ahead and go search this video editing Discord service. You can go ahead and click this. Once you click this, it's going to take you to a Discord server where you can make your post to get video editors edit for you. Now, if we come here, I wanted to show you some other channels that's going to be doing good in the World Cup. So if we have this channel here, that's reporting like news. So news stuff like I've just announced, confirms latest deal, let's touch our latest transfer. People are going to be watching these videos. Okay, so this is one niche that you can also do in the World Club. Actually, this is our channel. This is what we're doing. This is what our thumbnails look like. So to actually copy us and do what we're doing, you have to be able to make really good thumbnails like this. And I'm going to show you how you can make thumbnails like this. I've shown you how you can get Discord editing like server, how to get video editors for like cheap, for like $5 a video, right? And all you have to do is just make a post and send them our channel. If you send them as our channel as an example, they're going to use that to know, okay, this is what you want us to edit. And that's what they're going to use to give you the exact style that we're asked. This is not a video editing tutorial. This is how to do the strategy behind our channel. Okay, so what you want to do, first thing you want to go ahead and do though, is obviously you want to go ahead and come over to our channel, copy the link of our channel, go over to this link right here, v100apps/studio/transcript, go ahead and choose entire channel, this link, go ahead and paste it, paste the channel link. I would recommend choosing like 100 videos so you can get like a transcript of 100 videos. You can use this to train your AI so it understands how we write our scripts and write our titles and all those things. But for the case of this tutorial, I'm going to choose 10 videos and click extract. And that's what we're going to go ahead and use to train our models, because we're going to use it to train Claude, because Claude is going to give us video ideas to make that's going to go viral. I'm just going to give you this tutorial pretending I'm just like you right now. You don't have any earnings on YouTube. You're just sitting on your couch watching to understand how can you make money on YouTube, right? So what you have to do is to do this, right? Because this is going to give you the title. This is going to give you your script, right? This is going to give you your video idea that's actually going to go viral so you can make some money. So now, as we wait for that to happen, I'm also going to show you how to make these thumbnails. You might think you need to hire a thumbnail designer, but no, you can make this completely with AI, which is what we're currently doing, because you want your you want your YouTube channel profit margins to be very high. Most of the stuff we're doing are done by AI. Most of the channels I'm in, all the thumbnails I'm making is completely done by AI, okay? So we're going to go ahead do that. So if we come back, click copy on right here. So as you can see, it's done. So we're going to click copy all. We're going to come back to Claude, we're going to paste it, and we're going to say something like, "Hey Claude, one of your best engineers this channel, so I want you to give me to learn from the data, learn from the kind of titles that go more viral than others, learn from the kind of video ideas that go more viral than others. And given that the World Cup is coming soon, I want you to also learn from that. Give me the video ideas that I can go ahead and make that will go viral this week on my channel. And also go ahead and give me those titles in the frameworks that are proven to work." And yep. And also learn how we write our scripts, because when we're doing our scripts, when you give me good video ideas, I might tell you to give me the script for it. So we're going to say something like this. This is going to give us a title and, video ID and also the script. I will go use the title to generate our thumbnails just like this perfectly. And just like that, it's learned from the title DNA that actually works. That's learned everything right here. That's this as well. It's learned everything it needs to know. I'm not just out, it's giving you video ideas that you can make this week ordered by others week. As you can see, it's telling you to make this one ASAP. As this is the hottest story, blah, blah, blah. And the second after I hit gallery is what's about with celebrate. He left that, blah, 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 blah. So this is the latest story that would be working. And what would we go ahead and do? We're going to copy this, actually. And we're going to come here. I'm going to paste it here. This is the context it needs to give us the thumbnail. So it's going to make the thumbnail for us. That's one thing. Second thing we're going to go ahead and do is as that's generation, we're going to choose a video idea and choose a title. And we're going to tell it to give us a script for it. And this is going to be our script, okay? So we're going to say something like, so based on this, please give me the script that I would use to go ahead and, do the video. But don't give me the full script yet, just give me the intro. So I'm going to paste the title. The reason I'm doing just the intro is because this is a tutorial. Just want to show you how you could go ahead and get started with this. We're not making the full video just yet. And as you can see, some titles here, some thumbnails here. World Cup snob carnage, after the biggest stars dropped. This is a very good thumbnail. And then you can choose one of the titles, the best World Cup of whereas who got snubbed. Boom. England's World Cup snobs are criminal. Boom. Players that got snubbed. And this is it right here. Cole Palmer is now going to the World Cup. Nello is this. But found that he'd been caught live on television, and after that he'd gathered his family to celebrate. This is such good news. Like, obviously not for the fans, but like this is the kind of news that'll get so much attention. So what would you do now? You take this and you come over to Google Ad Studio. This is where you generate your voiceover. So you can go ahead and choose the voice that you want. Let's play this.
What sparks your interest?
So you can choose this voiceover. This is going to be the person speaking over your video. So if you click our own videos, as you can see, you can make your own voiceover right here. Now, after you do this, guys, you've handed your script, your title, your thumbnail, your whole video, right? The only thing you need right now is to make the actual video. And to make the actual video, you need to be finding these B-rolls and putting it all over the videos. Now we're using AI to find these because it's very easy. But since you don't have access to the AI tool, you can either build it with Claude Code or you can tie it.
Palmer is not going to the World Cup. Neither is Phil Foden.
Boom. That's it. It sounds extremely realistic.
He'd been cut live on television after he'd already gathered his entire family to...
Boom, just like that. So that's your voiceover done. Now you need to have your videos edited, right? Go to the video editing server that I've stored you, make your post, send them this channel, and you're going to get edited for like 5,000 video. That's going to find the B-rolls for you and use these to make your complete videos. And you already have the thumbnails done for you with AI. This is how you can automate this whole niche. Start your own channel right now and get a pre-monetized channel so you can start getting paid from day one. Remember to visit HeadStart Channels to start earning from day one. But that's going to be it. I'll see you guys next video.